Hi, it's Daryl Jones with the Daryl and JJ Jones team. I'm here to give you your Fullerton City report about real estate. Currently 181 properties on the market. Last month at this time there's 207, so that's good. It's trending lower. Less competition is good for sellers. There's 100 in escrow. That too is good. I wanted to delve deep into the numbers this month. This is some interesting information. Under 500,000, there's 37 on the market. We have a 2.5 month supply of homes. That's a little bit more of a seller's market. Between 500 and 750,000, we have a 1.8 month supply of homes on the market. As a seller, you want that number as low as possible. That means it's far better for you guys. As buyers, you want it higher. Between 750 and a million, there's a 2-month supply of homes on the market. Between a million and a million five, there's a 3.1 month supply of homes on the market. That means if nothing else sold, it would take 3 months to sell the current inventory based on the last 6 months of sales. Between 1.5 million and 2 million, just shy of a 6-month supply of homes on the market. And this is crazy. Over $2 million in Fullerton, we've got a 3-year supply of homes on the market. There's only 6 active. So what that means is it's a great move-up market. Interest rates are still low. And the higher you go up in the market, the softer it is. So time to sell that lower priced home and buy a higher priced home.